And then this, I have no idea what this is for. Oh, cool, look at that. What's going on YouTube? Potsy back from Potsy's Reviews. So I've been really missing my old tripod. It was given to me by a family friend and it broke. One of the legs, I'll show you here later, but I just never got around to getting a new one, and I know they're cheap. Like, I got the cheapest one here, but I also wanted to get something tall. Alright guys, on a serious note though, the link for this product is in the description below. Go check it out. It'll bring you right to this exact tripod that I picked up. And on top of that, if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share it with everybody you know. So this is the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with bag. Came to like $28.50 shipped to the door, and I don't have Amazon Prime right now, and I didn't buy it on Amazon Prime. I didn't buy it with Amazon Prime, and it came to me in like, I ordered it Friday night, I think it was, and it came to me Tuesday morning. So it was quick with I didn't pay for any quick shipping or anything like that, so that was pretty quick. And we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to open this up and we're going to let you guys check it out. Just some cheap, simple stuff. You know, I like going over the cheaper stuff because there's not a lot of video reviews on the cheap stuff. Everyone's reviewing like the cool, expensive stuff, but nobody's doing reviews on the cheap stuff. I want to see how good the cheap stuff is because I'm a cheap... Okay, well, I can't say that, but I'm cheap. So let's check this out. So right now, all I'm using is a little gorilla pod to hold my camera up, so I can't really get any height on this, so you have to bear with me. And that's it. Nice little bag, have to admit. Got a little strap here. Let's get some different angle on this here. So there you go. Nice little strap. Zip up. Decent zipper. I don't know about this zipper. It seems kind of stiff. Maybe it just needs to be broken, like worked in a little bit, but it feels stiff and maybe a little cheap. Oh, okay, I see. So I think it's one of these Chinese-made, rebranded things there. You got a lot of that on Kijiji, where you get Chinese manufacturers making stuff, and then they just, companies rebrand it with their logo and name, which isn't like necessarily a bad thing. It is what it is. Like, it was only 28 bucks to the door, right? So you can't expect much, but it looks like a nice piece of kit for the price it is. It's got more bells and whistles than my last one, I guess, so can't complain there. But there's your logo, Amazon Basics. Stand her up. So the last one I had, well, these had nice little feet on them, that's cool. The last one I had, these things here, there's a stopper that stops, so when they get to their full extension, the tallest it'll go, there's a stopper. And the last one on mine, it broke. Sad day. But here's the replacement. Looks like it's got a little level on top here too. I'm going to show that. I don't know what that hook is. There's a little hook down there as well. Some interesting things about this. Like, there's a little hook down there. I'm not sure what that is. Come up here. There's the level for leveling. Make sure you're level. It's got a nice little handle here, and turning it tightens it. Stops it from moving. Whole bunch of little things up here. I've never even seen this, so we're gonna have to go over this a little closer here in a minute. That's it shortened up. Now we'll extend it here. Alright, there it is standing. So it stands pretty tall. So that's right there. That tightens up so this doesn't move. So you can loosen it up here. Let's loosen it up. You'll see that this slides up and down. So when you tighten that up, it doesn't go anywhere. It's got a cool little handle that you can use to carry it around with. And then this, I have no idea what this is for. Oh, cool, look at that. Watch this. So this raises, see that? It goes even higher. Oh, so cool. Look at that. I'll step back here once I fully extended it. We'll see. This, there you go. And then put that back down. I think that's taller than my last one. So you can see there, nice good detailed shot. This thing clips open. I don't think it came with any instructions. If it came with instructions, they would be on the bag, I guess, and that's it. There was no pamphlet, so they kind of fall short on that one. Yeah, so the bag has no instructions, just has this avoid the danger of suffocation, keep this bag or covering away from babies and children. So the bag has no instructions like I thought it may have, but it's pretty simple, right? Like it's just a tripod, so no pamphlet showing instructions or anything. Yeah, that's how that comes off right there. Ooh. Yeah, that just slides right off. And similar idea underneath as other cameras. There's another level. And let's get this piece here. So this piece goes in like that, and then you clamp it down like that, and you're secure. This tightens here as well. I'm not sure what for. Maybe left and right. I don't know. Not having instructions kind of hurts this a little bit. And this is definitely for tightening and loosening this movement. I don't know what this is for. I'm not a pro camera guy. Like I don't know any of this, right? If you guys know, then sure, go ahead, leave a comment and you can chew me out for this. I don't care. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is for. You can play with it here. It beats me. Things start falling apart. Start taking everything apart for no reason. Tighten that up. I don't know. But it's definitely going to serve its purpose, you know what I mean? So one thing I forgot here is this screws and tightens up to hold this up. Alright, well, let's get my camera on there and do the end of this video. Alright guys, well that's it for me. That's it for the unboxing and the review. Hope you guys liked it. Again, if you want to find this product, go to the link below in the description. It's just down there. Check it out. And the more views, the more likes we get here, the more products we can review. And I want to keep it on the affordable aspect of the financial range, because I think that's where a lot of people would prefer to see reviews. I know a lot of cool guys are doing some cool stuff, like those $3,000, what do you call it there, that Bluetooth speaker and stuff. Like, I ain't spending $3,000 on a Bluetooth speaker, sorry, so I'm not going to do reviews on that. I'm going to do reviews on somewhat essential things. So thanks again, see you next time.